Hi Chandan, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing great. Thank you so much. Uh, am I audible?
Yes, very clearly.
Great, thank you. So, how are you?
Perfect. I'm also fine. Thank you for asking.
And where do you from?
I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra.
Okay, and currently you are staying there?
Yes, currently I'm staying in Nagpur.
Great,
Mhm.
awesome.
So,
So,
where are you from?
I'm from Jharkhand. Have you heard the place
Mhm.
called Jamshedpur?
Yes, yes, yes. A lot many times, of course. Tata Steels, Tata's first plant,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. That place is famous for the Tata still, actually.
Yes. So I'm very well aware of it.
Yeah, yeah.
And
I have been to Mumbai, not the central part, the Neral part. Have you heard the Neral?
okay, yes, yes, yes.
It's the border of Maharashtra, I guess.
Maharashtra, yes.
Hmm.
I've never been
Like
there. I never got a chance to go that side, but I've heard about it. And I've heard it's beautiful, is it?
no, actually, I had been visited like 10 years ago.
Oh.
My it was a something conference that I have to
Mhm.
attend there. So I know that only that place I visited in the entire Maharashtra.
Okay. Okay. So you're always welcome.
Thank you, thank you so much.
And how was your day?
It's pretty cool as usual. Like
Normal.
everybody sitting home and working from the virtually. So
Naha.
it's like a daily schedule.
Mm-hmm.
Not good, not bad. You can say that.
A normal day.
Yeah, normal day.
So
So
what do you like more? Working from home or working from office?
I like both actually. Like when
Mm-hmm.
when you have a lot of work, then you barely think that if I get a chance to work at home, then you will get plenty of time to relax. But at office, you have to be stay there for more than
Yes.
your working hour. So that time you will feel bad
Mm-hmm.
because I had been worked until like 15 hours a day for my
Wow, that's a lot.
I was in company. I was in
Mm-hmm.
New Delhi for the last 12 years. I just
Okay.
shifted here like 2 years back, 2019. I
Mm-hmm.
shifted here. So when
Mm-hmm.
I was in corporate world, I had been work in the weekends also 15 hours a day. So it's a very hard day sometimes.
Yes. I do feel that. And that is the reason I don't like that corporate culture a lot because it burns you out. You can work in corporate for 2 to 3 years and after that you will be finished. There is no
Hmm.
consistency. So I don't like that.
Yeah,
I think there should
but
be a well balance.
many person likes because they like that culture. They do not like the
Yeah, a
work,
lot
but
of
they
people. Yeah, a lot of people are okay with it. I don't know what is it that they find good in this because I only find it very unhealthy. But yes, a lot of people do like that corporate culture. I don't know
exactly.
what is it that they like about it.
I really felt one thing very bad about the politics. Like whenever you like place to any company, and there are a lot of politics. So you have a skill, but you do not have a politics, and you will not sustain for longer. So
I agree with that. Yes. And
so
that
that
is
was
where work
me.
from home and that is where work from home is a better thing because you don't have to be
Exactly.
indulged in politics.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, that is thing. But in the entire 12 years, I learned one thing that skill is not only the factor to up you higher. You have to need to unlearn the politics as well.
That's correct.
Because most of the time what I like I work so hard, I deserve to that position, but I wouldn't able to get that position. Why? My senior is my manager gets that position. He plays some kind of politics to the senior manager, to the boss. So that time you will not cross your line, no? That I had done all the project from day and night. So how can you give that my position to my senior manager? So that kind of politics always happen. So that things always felt me to get rid of that position. So I just left that company. I started my own firm. I'm working for
That's great.
myself.
That's great. I think that is the best. Working for
Yeah.
yourself is the best. Even if you have to
You said
work
no,
15 hours a day, you would not
no,
mind
it is
because you're
okay
working for
because you are working
yourself.
for yourself. Exactly. And also one thing that you said, no, that corporate world is not for the entire years. Just
Right.
spend 5 to 6 years, get experience, get a skill yourself, and try to that skill to build your own entrepreneur kind of business.
I
So
do
that I
agree.
did. That I
Yes.
did. Yeah, I did. I spent like a lot of years. I can be build like more than 5 years, but I had spent 12 years in Delhi. I still, you know, you know what is happening to the corporate world. Like when people going to the corporate world, they kind of get relaxed. They
Mm-hmm.
get that's schedule like 9 to 5 job. They are not upgrading their skill. They're happy with
Mm-hmm.
their what they are, but they
Mm-hmm.
never think what will happen in the future. A company will fire you due to some reason, like your project ended, your client is completed that time, that moment. So what would
Mm-hmm.
happen? So you always have
Mm-hmm.
to upgrade yourself, and
Right.
then left away at the right time. So if you
Hmm.
want, if you have some bigger plan to leave that company, if I
Right.
talk to my friend, my friends are still there. They are spent like 12 years, 13 years in the same company. They're happy what they are, like they are usually happy. They do not want to upgrade their skill, right? So they are happy. So I was not happy. I always wanted to be build something my own. So I want to explore everything. So that's why I just
I think I'm also like you. I'm also working as of now because I do think that there is a lot of things that I need to learn. And as of now, I don't have any concrete plan that I can just leave everything and start something. But I am working on it. So it is my side hustle. So the day my side hustle is stable enough, I would also leave everything and I'll just work for myself then.
so what you do, may I ask, what do you do for living apart from clapping go?
Yes, so this is something that I do for my passion because I'm very passionate about teaching. And apart from this, I'm an education counselor. So I
Nice,
work in
very
a,
nice.
I'm working with the overseas education consultancy. So I
Oh, great,
help the students to fly wherever they want to.
great, great. So how many students have you have been placed to some different countries?
As of now, I have placed around 50 students.
Oh my God, great.
I have
And
not been
mostly the
working
you
in this
understand.
field. I've not
Okay.
been working in this for a long time. It's only 8 months as of now.
So you get like you have something passionate about the to counseling the students, or you get
Yes,
just
I
an
like it.
opportunity?
No,
Okay.
I really like it. I'm really passionate about it, and I really do like. I am planning to get into a full time consultancy. Like I would want to do MA in psychology, especially in education counseling, and I want to become a full time counselor in that. So this is something which I also did not know that I like doing. So I started with teaching. Then I understood that how much I like counseling and how much I like to work with students. So then from there it started happening. So it was a long journey. Otherwise, I have done my MBA in finance. So these two
Oh.
things are very unrelated. But uh,
MBA
yeah,
in fine arts. I'm sorry, sorry. MBA in fine
finance,
arts.
finance,
Oh, it's
global
finance.
financial.
Okay,
Yeah.
finance. Okay, okay, I got it. Okay, great, great. So like teaching is a really royal job, but it's a great challenging as well to understand the things.
Yes.
I do
That
agree
is.
because I also had been teaching like 2 years, 3 years,
Uh-huh.
almost 2000 in 2008. I
Uh-huh.
was a faculty. I used to teach to
Oh.
the students. So
Mm-hmm.
I realized that teaching is not a easy job. It is
No, it
really more
isn't.
than a, yeah, it is a royal job, but it is not easy because you
Never.
have to be upgrade you so much so that you can teach the student in that manner so that he or she can understand. So in my
And
view,
this
it's really
one-on-one
hard job.
sessions, these one-on-one sessions are still fine. Like you have to deal with
Ah,
one student at a time. But when you are teaching in a
yeah,
classroom or when you are, because there are all the kinds of student in the classroom. So
exactly.
one child will understand it in once, and the one child will, you'll have to completely, you'll need a completely different perspective to make them understand. So it is difficult to balance things, but I really like doing it. I love working with children also.
That's great. That's really nice. Because
Oh,
you have to deal with the psychological things as well, like how the
yes,
teachers how they
yes.
are reacting. I just want to tell you one story. Like I just remembered it, recalled it. So
Mhm.
what was happened? I just it was a like a test. I used to teach in the aptech. I used to
Okay,
actually I'm a front end developer. I'm a web designer,
okay.
right? So
Uh-huh.
I used to teach the web designing stuff. So on that day, what was happened? I just tested the papers. So one student, I just put like 86% out of 100. So that
Mm-hmm.
student claimed me that how can you put like 86%? I just put randomly, when you got a lot of books to put a percentage. So I just put it randomly. So that students complained me and also to the boss, how can you put my 86%? I had never been get more than 99%. How can you put it? Like I just
Okay.
said, so that guy, after that I realized that guy has some psycho problem. So he did not,
Ah,
from the childhood, he did not listen the word no, right?
right.
No, I know. So he like if his father say that if he wants something that I want a car, then the father will deny that he will get mad. So that is the thing about that child.
Okay.
So later on I realized that thing, because if you put like 99.99%, why you put it? I deserve to more than 100%. How can you put like 99.9%? So that is that. So
That was the
I was so
psychology of that child. He was maybe he was extremely pampered in his childhood, and then
yeah,
he
yeah,
couldn't take no, or he didn't take. He was a sour loser, as you can call it.
exactly. I just want, like, if any parents are there, like to I just want then their parents to start teaching how to say no. If
Right.
any children, wants I want a toy, I want a car, I want a bike, whatever he wants, just try to say no. Just used to that word from your ear. Not every time you say yes, I will give you, I will give you. Not every time. You
Right.
have to be start practicing that word no. When you
Hmm.
do that study, when you get that much of marks, then I will give you. So there should be some breakage, because I had
Hmm.
seen so many parents, so many students. Just in my locality, I had listened so many scenario that children, that kid was very mad. He did not listen.
Hmm.
Like, if father said that I will not give you that ball, that kind of toy, that helicopter toy. So that boy or his girl gets pampered and this tantrums, making tantrums. So I think that is from, because nowadays you can see the people's that the new era of child are different from the older, from the
Right.
90s, right?
Right.
So it is very difficult to handle the situation of their mind, what is
Yeah,
hanging there.
it's difficult. There is always a generation gap. We had it with our
Exactly,
parents. Now the other kids have it with their parents. We'll have it with our children as well.
exactly.
So
So we have to be trained in that way.
I think the best way to teach children that you cannot always have everything is to put them in sports. I am a
Yeah,
I'm a big supporter of sports, because
yeah,
it
I
is
do agree.
not, doesn't matter how good a player you are, but it is not possible to win every time. There would be some
Sports
time
will,
when you will
yeah,
lose.
exactly. Sports will make the bond, the how to make friends, how to get lose
Yes.
and win. So that is the thing. Only the sports can teach, not the
Right.
school or not or any person.
It cannot.
I do
It
agree.
cannot. And that is why it is always, important to keep a child in various, don't just focus on on studying, that they should always just
Mhm.
score good marks. You want them to be a good person. You don't want them to be a robot
Exactly.
who remembers everything.
Yeah. Exactly.
So I have seen a lot of students who are like this. I used to work in a school also. So and that was a residential school. So it was like we were only their parents, because they were living with us. They were away from their parents. So I have seen a lot of students who were very, and most of the students who come in residential schools are these kind of students who are very troublesome, whose parents cannot handle them. They always put them in residential school. So I have seen a difference when the students are put into any maybe in arts, or maybe in sports, or in some competitive field where they know that they can lose, and where they lose and they have to accept it. There is no other way. So that develops them a lot. So sports
Yeah.
is mandatory. I think it is mandatory
Mm,
for
yeah, I
everybody.
do agree. I do agree.
And now I
Great.
think our education system is changing. Now the new act is the education act, new education policy. It is focusing on a whole development of a child, a wholesome development of a child. It does not focus
Mm,
only on studying. So they have put up so many options, and I think it's great. I think, but it will take at least 20 years of time to change.
yeah, But still, there is still a very huge difference if we're talking about the US study pattern and the Indian study pattern. So that's why every big family, every celebrities, like parents, like they go to the US. Why? Because in India we will not find that kind of study. If he
Right.
wants to be an actor, he have to be go to like he has to be go to the US. Like if you just went through any of the actors' history, they have done their entire course, entire degree in the United States. In India, you will not
Hmm.
get that much of study, that much of experience. So you have to be
Right.
like still there are in India education pattern is not up to that level
It's
that we
not.
deserve.
Yes.
Everyone
And
has to go to the US. So that is the
and we
place
have
to.
brilliant minds. The
I do
saddest
agree.
thing is that we have brilliant minds. It's only that we don't know how to use these minds, and they know
Yeah,
how to use it.
they
So
know
our
exactly.
brains are being used by them to grow their
Yeah,
economy.
exactly. That's why we are still underdeveloping, and I think it will be in the future also underdeveloping countries.
But you know what? I think India was far ahead of its time. If you see, like, if you see the ancient times, when as soon as a child turns 10 or 11, they have to compulsorily go to Gurukul. They don't have any other
Mm,
options. They will
yeah,
live in Gurukul. All of them, they will all wear the same clothes. They will, doesn't matter if the child is, if it's a king's child or if it is a peasant's child, doesn't matter. They will all wear the same kind of clothes, sleep in the same kind of place, have the same kind of food.
exactly.
So I think India was well ahead of its time. It's the Britishers who came and just ruined everything for us.
Yeah. Now we are still recovering.
We are still recovering, yes. I don't
Exactly.
know how many more years it will take.
Great. Nice.
So we have
So
almost spent our time today not discussing the session document, which is completely fine. You don't always have
yeah,
to
no
go
problem. Yeah,
abide by the
yeah, exactly.
session document.
I do agree. I do agree.
And today's topic was celebrities. So I'm not a big fan of this topic, honestly. I don't think celebrities should be discussed as much as we do it.
Exactly. It depends how people are reacting there. Some people learn
Yeah,
something new stuff, and that great. It was really nice talking to you. So,
same here,
would you like
same
to
here.
share something? Would you like to share something about my feedback?
Yes, a little feedback. Otherwise, your English is very good. You're smooth. You can talk fluently. The only two mistakes. One is that sometimes in between, subconsciously, you're using Hindi words. So
Yeah,
you have to be
the
conscious
words
about
were
it.
not coming out. Were not coming out.
No, no, no. While speaking, just like that, when you're speaking, you will put to in between, which is our habit,
Okay,
and
okay,
you don't even
yes,
realize that you're doing it. So now that I have
yes,
told you, you have to be mindful of it, that whether you are speaking such words. So what you can do, whenever you can try, whenever you are speaking, record yourself